Hello Shaun, it's Zurab here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2005 Corvette, which has very low mileage, which is a 26,952 Ks. The interior is in absolutely perfect condition, black on black. As you see, the body itself is in great condition, the paint, the rims as well, it's a polished aluminum rims, so the vehicle comes fully certified. We just replaced the battery in it, so it has a brand new battery and it's available. The roof is a power roof, it works, has an AC, heated seats, it's a keyless entry, the push start, it has a navigation which is a touch screen as well. So the vehicle is here. If you have any questions, you want to come and take a look, you're more than welcome. You can call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.